Mastering English. Unleashing the power of rubrics and checklists. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to explore a critical part of sharpening your English listening comprehension, scanning for specific details. Within this, we'll focus on an effective method of assessment, using rubrics and checklists. These tools can significantly improve your ability to scan for specific details in spoken English. So, let's dive right in. Rubrics and checklists are tools used to evaluate an individual's skills, often highlighting key areas that need improvement. Rubrics are usually grids that list the criteria or expectations on one axis and performance levels on the other. They provide a detailed, comprehensive overview of how well you're performing in a particular skill. On the other hand, checklists are simpler. They contain a list of skills or competencies that one needs to master. If you're able to perform a skill, you can check it off the list. Both of these tools can be of immense help while working on your scanning skills. You're listening to a lecture, a speech, or even a casual conversation, and you need to pick up specific details. That's what scanning is all about. When using a rubric, you'll rate yourself on your ability to pick up specific details like names, dates, facts, etc., within different performance levels. With a checklist, you'll simply mark off these elements as you hear and identify them. This helps you assess how effectively you can listen for details. Using rubrics and checklists can make a world of difference to your learning process. They help you identify where you stand and highlight areas for improvement. With consistent use, you'll find that you become quicker and more efficient at scanning for specific details. You'll be more aware of your listening habits and will work towards improving your weaknesses, ultimately leading to better comprehension. And that's a wrap on using rubrics and checklists in scanning for specific details. We hope this video gives you a new perspective on how you can effectively enhance your English listening comprehension. With diligent use of these tools, you'll soon find your scanning skills improving dramatically. Remember, learning is a journey, and every step, even a tiny one, takes you closer to your goal. Keep learning, keep growing,